So guys, hello guys, good afternoon guys. So now guys, we're here to test drive this Chevrolet Malibu 2013 model. So he want to change his transmission fluid automatic. Now before I going to change the transmission fluid, I will make this drive and see if I have problem because he said he have a problem for the shifting. Okay, so this Chevrolet Malibu, 6 speed. Okay, I think 60 70 transmission. Okay, so now let's going to test drive and see. Number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. So now guys, when I slowly press the accelerator and the shifting, oh my god, it's raining. The shifting is from number 3, and he have like something not normal, okay? But now I will test again and check. I use the manual mode. Just now we're in the automatic mode. Let's check in the manual, okay? So in the chip knob, we have plus and minus, okay? And I put in the M, the manual. If you need the up speed, you press the plus, okay? Oh, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. So I put in the manual mode. The shifting is good, no problem. But now I slowly accelerator. But we turn again, check. I increase my accelerator. I put in the automatic mode, drive. Sorry. So we have a light here, ABS and traction. So now here we go. Now, the number 3 shifting too fast and have a reaction. You have problem for the transmission, but not too much. Okay. Now we have tried to first change the fluid, because maybe the problem they have problem in the transmission fluid. Okay, and I will make a reset. Okay, try to reset. Again. But sometimes, guys, idol, sometimes if you make reset, the problem more, because you reset the solenoid. Meaning we have to more relearn. Okay, because if you reset the solenoid, it's same like new. Meaning you reset the adaptive. Now we have procedure for change the transmission fluid. We base for the transmission fluid temperature. Okay, and then before removing the transmission fluid, see the specification for transmission fluid. Okay guys, sorry guys, kay hulog lang akong cellphone guys. Okay. Okay guys, I will update you. I'm going to workshop now.